Hello and welcome to the English Listening Lab. My name is Johan. I am very happy to be here with you today. Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about morning routines for a better day. How you start your morning is very important. It changes your whole day. Before we start, I have a small favor to ask. Please subscribe to this channel right now. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you subscribe, you will not miss our future episodes about morning routines and daily life. It helps you learn English every day. Thank you for subscribing. Now, let us begin our lesson about morning routines for a better day. The first part of a good morning routine is waking up at the right time. Many people wake up very late. Then they must rush. They run around the house. They look for their keys. This creates stress. Stress is not good for your morning. A better way is to wake up early. Set your alarm clock for a good time. When you wake up early, the house is quiet. The world is quiet. You have time for yourself. You can breathe slowly. You can look at the sun outside your window. Waking up early gives you control. You feel calm. You feel ready. It is a beautiful way to start. Try to wake up 15 minutes earlier tomorrow. After you wake up, the next step is very simple. You should make your bed. This sounds small, but it is powerful. When you make your bed, you finish the first task of the day. You tidy the sheets. You fix the pillows. The bed looks clean and nice. This makes you feel proud. You did something good immediately. It takes only 2 minutes, but it tells your brain that you are organized. When you come home at night, your bed is ready for you. A clean room helps you have a clean mind. So do not leave your bed messy. Make it nice. Make it neat. This is a very easy habit for a better day. Now, let us talk about water. When you sleep, you do not drink water for 8 hours. Your body is dry. You need hydration. So the first thing to put in your body is water. Do not drink coffee first. Drink a big glass of water. Some people like cold water. Some people like warm water with lemon. Both are very good. Water wakes up your stomach. It wakes up your brain. It gives you energy. If you feel tired in the morning, drink water. It helps more than you think. Keep a glass of water near your bed. Drink it as soon as you stand up. Your body will say thank you. This is essential for a healthy morning routine. After drinking water, it is time to move your body. You do not need to run a marathon. You do not need to go to a big gym. You can do simple movements at home. You can stretch your arms and legs. You can touch your toes. Stretching feels very good after sleeping. Your muscles are tight in the morning. Movement makes them loose. It helps your blood flow. When your blood moves, you feel awake. You can do this for 5 minutes. You can do this for 10 minutes. It is your choice. Just move a little bit. It changes your energy. You will feel strong. You will feel ready to work or study. Movement is key for a better day. Let us talk about light. Light is very important for humans. We need sunlight to wake up. When you wake up, Open your curtains. Let the light come into your room. If it is dark outside, turn on the lights in your house. Bright light tells your brain that it is morning. It stops the sleep hormone. It starts the energy hormone. If you can, go outside. Stand in the sun for a few minutes. The fresh air and the light are perfect. They help you feel happy. Darkness makes you feel sleepy. Light makes you feel alive. So do not stay in the dark. Find the light every morning. This is a simple trick for a better day. Now we must talk about breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. It gives you fuel. Think of your body like a car. A car needs gas to drive. You need food to live and think. A healthy breakfast is best. You can eat eggs. You can eat oatmeal. You can eat fruit like bananas or apples. Try not to eat too much sugar. Sugar gives you energy fast, but then you get tired. Healthy food gives you energy for a long time. Take time to eat. Do not eat while you run to the bus. Sit down. Enjoy your food. Taste your food. A good breakfast makes your stomach happy and your brain sharp. Another important part of a morning routine is cleaning yourself. You should wash your face. You should brush your teeth. Some people like to take a shower in the morning. Cold water on your face wakes you up. Brushing your teeth makes you feel fresh. It is good hygiene. When you are clean, you feel confident. You feel ready to see people. You feel ready to go to work or school. Do not skip this step. Take care of your body. Put on clean clothes. When you look good, you feel good. This is very true. It helps you start the day with a positive feeling. It is a sign of respect for yourself. Let us talk about your phone. This is a big problem for many people. When they wake up, they look at their phone immediately. They check emails. They check social media. They look at bad news. This is not good. It makes you worry. It makes you think about other people. The morning is for you. Try not to look at your phone for 30 minutes or even 1 hour. Keep your phone in another room. Use an alarm clock, not your phone alarm. When you ignore your phone, you are calm. You focus on your breakfast. You focus on your thoughts. This is a very hard habit to break, but it is very important for a better day. Instead of looking at your phone, you can do something quiet. You can read a book. Reading in English is very good for you. You can read just 2 or 3 pages. It is peaceful. It wakes up your mind gently. You learn new words. You think about new ideas. Reading is better than scrolling on a screen. Or you can listen to music. Calm music is nice. Happy music is nice. Music changes your mood. It makes you want to dance. It makes you smile. So, choose a book or choose music. Fill your morning with good things. Do not fill it with noise from the internet. Planning is the next step. You should look at your day. What do you need to do today? Do you have work? Do you have school? Do you need to buy food? Write a list. Take a piece of paper and a pen. Write down 3 big things you want to do. Just 3 things. This gives you a clear goal. When you have a plan, You do not waste time. You know what to do next. You feel organized. Crossing things off your list feels great. It makes you feel successful. Take 5 minutes to plan. It saves you hours later. Gratitude is a beautiful habit. Gratitude means saying thank you. In the morning, think about 3 things you are happy about. Maybe you're happy for your warm bed. Maybe you're happy for your coffee. Maybe you're happy for your family. You can write these things down, or you can just think them in your head. Focusing on good things makes you positive. It stops you from complaining. It makes the world look brighter. Happy people have better days. Gratitude is free. It's easy. It changes your heart. Start your day with a thank you. It's a wonderful secret for a happy life. Let us talk about coffee or tea. Many people love warm drinks in the morning. This is a nice ritual. The smell of coffee is wonderful. The taste of tea is relaxing. But be careful. Do not drink too much caffeine, and do not drink it too early. Wait 1 hour after you wake up. Let your body wake up naturally first. Then, enjoy your cup. Drink it slowly. Feel the warmth in your hands. This is a moment of peace. It is a treat for you. Do not rush your coffee. Make it a special time. It is a small luxury in your morning routine. Connecting with family is also good. If you live with people, say good morning. Smile at them. Ask them, how did you sleep? Hug your partner or your children, or pet your dog or cat. Human connection is important. It makes us feel loved. It makes us feel safe. If you live alone, you can send a nice text message to a friend. Just say, I hope you have a great day. Being kind to others makes you feel good too. Start the day with love. Start the day with a smile. It creates a happy atmosphere in your home. Finally, when you are ready to leave, check everything. Do you have your keys? Do you have your wallet? Do you have your bag? Check one last time. This stops you from forgetting things. It stops you from worrying later. Take a deep breath. Look in the mirror. Tell yourself, today is going to be a great day. Believe it. Your attitude is everything. If you think it will be a good day, it usually is. You are prepared. You are calm. You are clean. You are fed. You are ready for the world. Open the door and step out with a smile. Thank you for listening to this episode of English Listening Lab. Today we learned many ways to have a morning routine for a better day. We talked about water, food, movement, and planning. I hope you try some of these tips. Remember, a good morning brings a good day. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the button now. Also, follow us on all social media platforms for more English lessons. We want to help you learn. Have a wonderful morning and a wonderful day. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.